y'all, I was out at the store. I just found another one. A big 24 Tango Peach. Frago. Hey. Gotta go. It's kind of cold. Ooh, almost gone. No, I'm from California. I'm just visiting. I don't know the local people. I don't know. I'm sorry. Hey y'all, I'm out here in Union City, Georgia, and I'm about to head out, talk to my main man Tank out in DeSoto County, and we're gonna see what we'll do in Tank TV Georgia edition. I'm out. All this money over at Money's Car Stereo. We out here deep Georgia now. Man, look what I found. Minute Maid make peach also. God damn. I grabbed one for me, one for my friend I'm finna go see. We're gonna eat some barbecue. The man said he cooking some barbecue. We finna go see what's up with that. Peach. That's what I'm talking about. Holla at your boy. Ooh, they sure look nice and cold. Gotta go. This could be you, but you ain't here. Told y'all, America, I know some people know some people. Look who I done found. Out here in the deepest back of Georgia. Morales Cuddy, a.k.a. Tank. Man, what you been doing out here, man?
Chilling with Mr. Thomas.
Chilling with Mr. Thomas? Okay, where exactly are we at in America?
I built this right here.
You built this right here?
To get this pit right here out of
the elements?
Out of the rain.
You put the concrete in too?
Yeah, I did the concrete.
Okay, I kinda know that's your thing, so I thought of that. Okay, tin roof.
The whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Man, so this is where they got the barbecue out? This is the spot.
You want barbecue or doves?
I'll try both. Give me a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Better have some barbecue and some stew. And some doves.
Yeah, I'll try it. For sure.
This right here.
Man, this is like the back 40, man, what they be talking about. You know, don't tell me you done plowed this field, man.
Oh, yeah, I just mowed it the other day, but yeah.
Okay, you mowed it with a driving mower, right?
I mowed it.
Woo.
With a tractor.
With a tractor, yeah, because ain't no, yeah. I was thinking small when I see these lines y'all got out here.
Fucking tractor. That right there came out pretty good.
Yeah, it did, yeah. You slanted nice so the water don't build up on it. That's your dually? Or you got one like I got?
I told you that. I sent you the picture.
Yeah, I seen the picture. I said, okay.
Be like, yeah.
Oh, man, I ain't as low as you. I'm trying to get low next. Yeah, so what it got?
That boy roll,
454?
455.
They're pulling stuff like it's nothing behind it?
I ain't did nothing to it. It bone stock.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, you keep it like that. It'll last longer.
It worked, though, man.
Did they C-notch or how they lowered it?
It's C-notch.
C-notch, okay.
C-notch, airbags on the back.
Uh-huh. Drop spin on the front?
I got it, I bought it Memorial Day, and I took it over to the shop and got busy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's what I'm going to do to mine.
But this is the tractor right here.
Oh, okay. All right. Out here, I'm at the spot where Tank doing his thing at. We eating some quail and some pigeon. We're going to see how that do. Down home style. I'm out. Whenever I feel like going on vacation.
Okay. You down here with me for a minute.
I'm down with you for a minute, you know. I just came to shake hands with people who I know, you know. I saw I got a lot of strange looks when I was coming in. They like, who is that, you know? But so young lady, how long you been back here cooking back out here?
I've been here
24 years?
Yeah, Mama was there and started working about
30-some years. Right here. Right here.
Hey.
I'm trying to make you $5 what's happening, man? Yes, ma'am.
How you doing?
How you doing? You want me to put some coals on the pit?
Now look here. That's why this is your thing.
Okay. I wasn't gonna light them. I was just gonna put them in there.
Yeah, well, you put them in there.
Okay. You can't just that time. You're gonna see it in action.
Okay. Not yet? Okay.